I'm about to show you something that shouldn't even be possible. A man is trading from inside a prison cell. He can't touch a computer. He can't even see the charts in real time. And yet, trades are still being executed. How? His wife, who has never read a trading book in her life, is placing every trade for him from the outside. And here's the part that sounds unbelievable. They're running a trade plan that tested with a 91% win rate. Just 14 losses out of 122 trading sessions. And in the last 6 months, only one losing week. Those are the kind of stats that lead to a great way to trade. Now, before you think this is some Hollywood script, this is Robert and Kelly, and they're really just real students of mine. Robert read my Day Trader's Quick Start Guide while he was in prison. Then his wife Kelly enrolled him in my CEO Trader Mastermind program, and they built a repeatable trade plan, one that showed a 91% win rate. Now, if a man behind bars with zero access to a trading platform, zero ability to execute his own trades, coaching his wife, who admitted, "I'm not cut out for trading," can build a repeatable and profitable trading business in 3 months, what's your excuse? You see, most of you watching this right now are stuck in one of two traps. Trap one, you think you need to sit in front of computer screens 12 hours a day to make money in the markets. Trap two, you think trading is only for Wall Street guys, math geniuses, or people with 6-figure accounts. But that's just not true. So Robert called me from a prison tablet while Kelly had never analyzed a chart before. And yet, within just 90 days, they built something most traders spend years trying to figure out. Look, I get it. I've been there. Years ago, I was running a business. I was doing good, but I was working myself into the ground. I was lucky to get 4 hours of sleep a night. I was making money, but had no freedom. And that's when I discovered trading. That's when I realized if I could build a real, repeatable trading business, I could have both the income and the freedom. That's exactly what Robert and Kelly wanted, and that's exactly what they got. So here's what I'm gonna show you in this video. First, the exact system Robert and Kelly used that took them from not knowing anything about trading to how to establish a winning style of trading. Second, the mindset shift Kelly made from "I'm not a trader" to "I am a trader." Third, the simple rule that made the results consistent. Stick with me. You'll see how anyone can do this. If you click away right now, you'll keep trading blindly. You keep wondering why everyone else seems to figure it out while you stay stuck. Robert didn't have that luxury. He's in prison. He can't afford to waste time. He can't afford to lose. He can't even push the buttons himself. So when he reached out to me after a year and a half of exhausting every strategy, every system he could find, he knew one thing. He needed a real plan, not just another course, and that's exactly what I gave him. My name is Troy Noonan. I'm the author of a top 10 Amazon best-selling book in online trading and investing. I've been trading for over 33 years, and I've coached thousands of traders around the world, from complete beginners to experienced professionals. My students have achieved consistent win rates across multiple markets. Some students doing $1,500 average daily profits in just a few months, and repeatable systems that work in any market condition. Here's the hard truth most trading gurus will not tell you. You don't need more indicators. You don't need a $50,000 account. You don't even need to trade full time. What you need is a trade plan so simple, repeatable, and battle-tested that even someone who's never read a trading book can execute it. And that's what Robert and Kelly were able to do. She told me, and I quote, "I'm not a trader." She had zero technical background. She was just pushing buttons for her husband. But after going through my CEO Trader Mastermind, in just a few months' time, they had a fully functional, profitable trading plan. And I'm about to show you exactly how. Now let me show you exactly what Robert and Kelly did, step by step, because this is where most traders go wrong. Robert and Kelly didn't stumble into results. They followed a process, a repeatable, proven process. And it has 3 stages. Stage 1, They stopped trying to trade. They started building a business. Here's the thing most traders never figure out. You don't have a discipline problem, you merely have a clarity problem. Robert and Kelly came in like most people do. They bought on algorithms. They bought an algorithm from a renowned professional. Nothing. They built their own algorithms on NinjaTrader. Still nothing. A year and a half of grinding, losing, and second guessing. Why? Because they were guessing. Every trade was a coin flip wrapped in stress. That's when Robert reached out to me and said, Troy, we need structure. We need something that actually works. So here's what I told him, and what I tell every trader who comes into my CEO Trader Mastermind. Humans don't make good traders. Rules do. A CEO trader doesn't guess. A CEO trader has a trade plan that tells them exactly when to enter, where to put their stop, where to take their profit, and when to walk away. No emotion, no second guessing, just rules. That was Robert and Kelly's first breakthrough. What Robert calls their aha moment. They stopped trying to figure out the market and started running a business instead. Stage 2, they tested their plan before they risked their money. Here's something most traders skip entirely: backtesting. They watch a video, think that looks good, and immediately throw real money at it. Then they lose and blame the strategy. Robert and Kelly did the opposite. They tested 25 different trade plans before they found the one. 25. And when they ran that plan through backtesting and simulation, here's what the data showed them. 122 trading sessions, only 14 losses, 91% win rate, only one losing. That's not luck. That's what could happen when you prove your plan before you risk your money. Think about it. Trading is the only business in the world where you can test your entire strategy with zero risk before you put a single dollar on the line. You can't do that with real estate. You can't do that with a franchise. But in trading, you can run hundreds of simulated trades and know your edge before you ever hit a live market. That's the power of what I call prove it before you risk. Stage 3, the simple rule that made the results consistent. Once Robert and Kelly had their system working, everything started to click. But not because they changed the strategy. The real shift came from one simple rule they committed to follow every single time. They stopped taking every valid trade and started filtering for the right trades. That one decision changed everything. Their win rate didn't improve because they worked harder or added complexity. It improved because their trade plan rules became more selective. They learned that consistency isn't about doing more. It's about doing less, but better. This is where most traders get it wrong. They think success comes from finding the perfect setup or constantly tweaking their system. But in reality, consistently comes from having the patience to sit on your hands when conditions aren't right, from trusting your rules even when you feel like you're missing out. That's the shift Kelly made. She went from reacting to every opportunity to calmly waiting for the ones that truly fit their proven trade plan rules, their edge. No second guessing, no forcing trades, just clean, confident execution. And here's the best part. Once that rule is locked in, everything becomes easier. Losses don't shake you. Winning streaks don't inflate you because you're no longer trading based on emotion. You're operating from a winning system that plays out over time. And that's what real consistently looks like. Let me give you 3 things Robert and Kelly did that you can start applying today. Number 1, use the power of quitting. Once you hit your daily profit target, you're done. Close the platform, walk away. Most traders make money in the morning and give it all back, chasing just one more trade. Robert and Kelly don't do that. Their plan tells them when they're done, and they honor it. Number 2, risk small, grow consistently. Robert and Kelly's trade plan still had losing trades. All trading does. But because they managed risk properly, never risking more than they could afford on any single trade, those losses didn't hurt them at all. Kelly said it herself. Even after a losing week, it doesn't hurt the plan. We still grow. That's compounding. That's how real wealth is built. Step 3, think like a CEO, not a gambler. Stop trading randomly. Stop chasing setups. Run your plan. Let the market come to you. Robert is coaching other inmates from inside a prison right now. Kelly is managing charts and calling adjustments confidently. If they can build this from a prison tablet, you can absolutely build it from wherever you are. So let me bring this home. Here's what Robert and Kelly realized, and what I've been proven, and what I've seen proven by the CEO traders in my community. You don't need to sit in front of screens all day. Scott, one of my students, is one and done half the time. One trade, hits his target, goes on and plays golf with his kids. Joe, who's 65 years old, sometimes hits his daily goal before the markets even opens, from a trade plan designed for that very thing. You don't need to be a math genius or a Wall Street insider. Kelly had never analyzed a chart before she enrolled. Mike was 53 with zero trading experience. 7 months later, he trades his plan every morning in under an hour. You don't need a six-figure account. You need a proven trade plan, the right methodology, and someone to walk you through it properly. That's exactly what I built for Robert and Kelly, and it's what I've built for hundreds of traders who were once exactly where you are right now. Here's your next step. The Golden Ticket Boot Camp for just $97. This is where I walk you through the exact system Robert and Kelly used to go from losing to a 91% win rate in 3 months. You'll get the trade plan framework, the backtesting methodology, and my most powerful trading journaling tool, normally $500, included free. This is your foundation. Click the link in the description, grab your spot. Second, book a strategy call with my team. If you're serious about building this as fast as possible, my certified strategy coaches will review your current situation, identify exactly where you're getting stuck, and map out a personalized plan to get you profitable. This is a real session, whether you're brand new or you've been trading for years. Click the link, book your call. Let's get you unstuck. Robert didn't wait. He called me from a prison tablet. Now he's coaching other inmates and building his financial freedom timeline from a prison cell. You're sitting here with a phone, a tablet, and total freedom to act right now. Stop trying to trade. Start building a trading business. You're not 5 strategies away. You're not 10 hours of screen time away. You're just one trade plan away from the freedom you've always been looking for. I'm rooting for you, but you have to take action. Click the link, and I'll see you on the inside.